Good day my Stitchy family and welcome to my channel Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another amazing unboxing from Fansells. That is www.fansells.com. Now all of you by this time know Fansells. They're a very big popular store. I absolutely adore them. I've always adored them. And before I open this beautiful stitches, I can tell you now it's a Mona Lisa 9 count and a new spring pattern. I just want to tell you a little bit more about Fansells. Now Fansells don't only sell our favorite cross stitch. Well, they do that as well. They sell cross stitch, stamped cross stitch. They do the newest beading cross stitches. They do diamond paintings, paint by numbers, mystery boxes. They customize all these products and so much more. They also sell all the tools and accessories for these products. And then they sell extra things. They even do gifts like Christmas, birthday, Easter and Halloween gifts, music boxes, linen tote bags, miniature doll houses. They do 3D string art, paper quilling, wax seals, stamp, and even jigsaw puzzles. They also keep the sewing and crochet series. So there is really something for everyone. Just go and have a look. They've got a big, amazing website. Their shipping is fast. Customer service is amazing. I'm working with someone new now, and she is also very efficient. Love her. So, yes, go and have a look. Fansells has got something for everyone. Now, if you want to save a little bit more at Fansells, you use my discount code, which is my name, Sanet, for extra 5% off. Now, as you're going to see, their products are amazing, shipping is quick, and customer service is definitely great. Alright, so we've all said and done. Where do we start? Let's start with this little spring girl. Isn't she a sweetie? Look at her. Amazing, right? Okay, so let's have a look. Now our spring patterns, if they don't come in a box, if they're smaller, they come in a reusable thick plastic envelope with a little press button and a little barcoded sticker in front. Now what does it mean if you get one printed like this? Because sometimes you'll get a spring and it will be a clear packet. Now this means what? Yes, I heard you. It means Egyptian cotton. Look at it. Ooh, look at those colors, Momo. She's a Nunu. She's so cute. Oh, she's a little girl strolling around along her fence with her little pot plants. I am busy with Google Translate. I want to see what she's called. Okay, so she's called Fence Girl. Plain, proper fence girl. She is 60 by 60 centimeters. And she is 14 count. Oh, this is so great. Look at this. She's amazing, right? Now, pattern is great. Everything is clear. It is spring brand. So spring brand is very good. Oh, my word. Okay, so this is gonna be amazing. Guess how many colors does she have? Guess. 90 colors and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 mixed colors. So 90 colors. Wow. That is super and pretty amazing, right? Now when you buy a spring pattern, remember, the first row will be the symbols for your Ada, second row symbols for your pattern. So far, so good. But remember, it is spring. What do you expect? It is fantastic. Spring brand is fantastic. What I like about spring brand, they do put their Ada in a separate plastic bag, which is very good, because this is the part that we want to save and protect. We do not want it to get wet at all. The rest can dry out. This can dry out, but you'll have no printed pattern. Oh wow, she is amazing. Alright, so we've got beautiful, beautiful strong white Ada. It is serged all the way around for our convenience. 277 stitches by 277 stitches. She's got 90 colors and then those extra 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 mixed stitches. Everything is marked nicely on your Ada and she is amazing. Your product code and number, the name is also there. It means Fansells. And like normally, spring prints amazing. Look from close up. She looks gorgeous. But you can see every little symbol. Look at that printing. If the printing on a canvas is good, you will more likely get stuck on that canvas because you don't struggle. Excuse me. Oh, yawn so early in the morning. So if the printing is good, you will carry on with it. If the printing is not good, you will not work on it as often as you do on the ones with good printing. So it's very, very important. So this is excellent, 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 excellent. All right. So let's look at the pretties. Oh, my Stitchy soul. Now look at this. Now Spring attached 2 needles to the color card. There you go. There. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 30 beautiful, beautiful Egyptian cotton. Amazing. And then we've got 31 to 60. Beautiful colors. Amazing stitch. Fantastic, right? And then we've got 61 to 90. And remember, you've got 9 additional mixed colors. That gives you a better color variation. So there's 90 plus 9. Because your mixed colors, they make a different color. So it's basically 99 different colors on your canvas. That is just superb. Alright, so look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. I think it's gorgeous. Amazing, right? I think it's excellent. Alright, you can look at that. That is next up and it's fabulous. We are... While I pack this one away, let me just think. While I pack it away, just want to ask if it's the first time you're watching my videos, please hit the like button. I will get back to you personally, as well as what am I doing? As well as please subscribe if you want to. You will help me out by doing that. You also motivate me to make more videos for you. Yes. It's also for free, guys. It is for free. Subscription is for free. Membership you pay for. Very small amount a month. There you go. Now the one you're looking at is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a 9-count Mona Lisa. I can see that it's got an extra one in nice. It's got a glitter canvas. Oh, look at those colors. Okay, just put it aside. Alright, so I just want to take the pattern. They normally put the pattern. Oh, there it is. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Alright, so there is a beautiful, beautiful picture. 60 by 80 centimeters, 9-count. Now the pattern's on an A4 page, printed both sides, and we are working with 56 colors. Beautiful. You don't really need the pattern. That's in case of emergency only. I'm going to put it back like that. Now, normally you get 1, but I got 2. Alright, but I'll show you 1. but normally you only get one. So there is a little snipper in, a cutter, and how many needles in a pack? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like 9, but it can be 10. Hold on. Can be hidden. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 needles. And a needle threader and a little snipper. Now, this one's got 2 packs in. Lucky, lucky, lucky. Alright, so let's have a look at this beautiful glitter canvas. Oh my word, it's beautiful. Now, normally when I show it on video, you can't see it. Doesn't matter how I turn it, it's just not, you can't see it, but it's a glitter canvas. I love the glitter canvas, it's beautiful. It is set all the way around for our convenience, except for the sides, of course, where there's an ending. It is 173 by 244 stitches, 9 count. Oh, look at this detail. Wow, wow, wow. Nashara, I bet you cannot wait. This is amazing. 56 colors. Oh, wow. Now let me show you the printing, or let me show you the whole picture first. Look at that. Fabulous, right? Wow, wow, wow. I absolutely adore it. Alright, so let me show you from close up this printing. Oh, let's just... Remember, with your 9 count, you use 4 strings with a 22 needle. Now, let's have a look at the pretties. And oh my soul, they are pretty. Okay, so 1 to 22. I like this floss card. You just pull them out. See, these floss cards, I like them a lot. 22 to 43. Fabulous, right? And then we've got 44 to 56. Now remember, after this video, I will leave all the links to all the products and to Fansells in my description box, so it's easy for you to find them. Okay, so let's have a look at them together. Look! Ooh, pretty, pretty colors. It is amazing. Very colorful. Very, very beautiful stitch indeed. Okay, so while I pack this away, I want to thank Fansells. Guys, you rock. Thank you for contacting me, Lily. You're amazing. This is going to be one super duper stitch. All these products rock. They're beautiful. Then, to you, my viewer, thank you for always watching and supporting me. I really, really appreciate it. Well, till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.